What if I told you you have your AI photo editing agent? Simply upload and describe your edit what you want to generate. Remove peoples from the background and few seconds you can see our edit is done. So friends, we are going to talk about such a powerful tool in this video. So, welcome to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So, Friends Fotor is free online photo editing and image editor. You will find the link in the description, or you can directly search on Google. So this is a Fotor first look. AI agent for visual creation. From quick touch-ups to creative transformations, watch Fotor. AI agent delivers stunning image results instantly. Chat with the AI agent to explore endless image possibilities. For example, here I am uploading an image. Here I will now simply type or input to AI agent to remove the goggles from this image, and it will automatically do what you want to see. Like now, if I want to upscale image for that, I will select that image and simply type to Sisi AI agent to upscale. This image is that simple. In a few seconds, the image is upscaled. So this is AI agent, basically what you want to see, and simply type or input, and it will do your work in seconds. Quick touch-ups to creative transformations, Fotor AI agent delivers stunning image results instantly. Here you will find more AI tools like text to video with latest AI models like Sora 2 AI or Sora 2 Pro. Let's see how he works. So first of all, we put a prompt, for example, a cat playing in ground, and then here you can see prompt enhancer. From here, you can enhance your prompt for better result. And here you can select the model for your video, whichever is perfect for your video generation. There are Sora 2 models here, and lots of similar latest models for you to see. After this, you have to select the style, and if you want to generate audio, then you can get that done too. Also, select the quality and duration of your video, and when all these things are done, simply click on Generate. In a few seconds in video, you can see what he looks like. Image to video. First of all, select a Write AI model. Some of these models take high credits, but you get better result. Here you have to select the image which you want to convert into video and describe what you want to see. Also, you can add audio and quality, duration of the video. When all things are done, simply click on Generate. And here you can see our image to video is ready to see. And friends, here you will get many templates, using which you can replace your image with them. Just launched Google VO 3.1, Cinematic Realism and Precise Control. You can also do this by selecting this model here. AI Talking Avatar. Simply upload your any image and input voice text, or you can use audio. After this, simply select a good actor voice for your avatar and click on Generate. Is that simple? In few seconds, you can see. Our talking avatar is ready.
Hello, my name is Snowy. Today I will show you how to convert any image into talking avatar.
Also lots of powerful AI tools, like remove objects from video online for free, video enhancer to instantly improve video quality, free AI video background remover, AI music generator where you can generate AI music, face swap from any video. So guys, what you waiting for? Try Fotor AI agent now.